Okay, so here we go with another painting video. I'm also going to include some photos of all my products so you know what's going on. Okay, here we go. So first we have the pillow paint, which I use Glidden Premium in base 1, mixed with a little bit of American Floetrol. Then we have our colors. You'll see there I have Liquitex colors, Deco Art, Folk Art, Artist Loft brands I like to use, as well as pigments from this Little Piggy Pigments. They're awesome. All of which I mix with Valspar Reserve, Base C in Satin, and Jo Sonja Gloss Varnish. Third, we have the Cell Activator, which I like to use the brand Amsterdam paint. It's awesome. Mixed with either Australian Floetrol, which is amazing, but if I don't have that, you have to use American Floetrol mixed with the Minwax Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner and glue. And then I'm just gonna get to painting. But here we go. This is my idea. It's kind of crazy all over the place, but I want to kind of do like one side like red and yellow and orange, and then over here this beautiful pinks and blues and some greens, all feminine. I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. Okay, here we go. So this is Liquitex Fluorescent Orange. I'll throw a dabble of that in there. Oh, it looks so crazy on the camera. Anyways. Cool. That's pretty good. Molds right back into it. Okay. Okay. Now here's magenta. Artist Loft. Deep magenta. That's perfect. Some copper. Deco Art Extreme Sheen Copper mixed with Liquitex Fluorescent Red. Can't really see the red, but like, whatever. Just kind of lightened it a bit. This Little Piggy Pigments Fluorescent Red, which they call Inferno. Beautiful. I am now Liquitex Fluorescent Yellow. I'm going to be using a lot of yellow. That'll do. For the other side, these are this Little Piggy Pigments Interference Glisten. Doesn't look like much. This one is Twinkle, which is a color shift interference by this Little Piggy Pigments. Blue Violet. This is Artist Loft Ultramarine Blue, mixed perfectly. This is the Deco Art Extreme Sheen Aquamarine. I think it's so pretty. Okay, and then Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 Karat Gold. Love this one. It's very, very sparkly. Okay, this is this Little Piggy Pigments Hustle, which is their fluorescent magenta pink color. Super duper pretty. Now this one's looking, this one was mixed from a while ago. The other ones I mixed like last night. Yeah, let's put some Jo Sonja in there. Just a little green, since I'm using so much green, but whatever. Let's see how this guy is going. This is the Folk Art Neon Purple. Beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay. This is the Liquitex Neon Blue, Fluorescent Blue. Okay, we saw all the colors. Now we saw them all mixed up. Let's get started. We gotta do the pillow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ready? Just wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay. All I'm gonna need from you, copper. Purple, blue. Oops, did not mean to do that. I just totally hit the canvas. My bad. Nearly being done good. Okay. Okay, the colors are done. Look how crazy that looks. I'm going wild. Now let's swipe and see what we can create. So tonight I'm going to be using Oxide Black from Amsterdam, turquoise green from Amsterdam, titanium white from Amsterdam, all mixed with Australian Floetrol. It's a pretty thin cell activator I have today, so we'll see how this goes. Swipe away. Let's keep going. I don't know how long it's over now, but it's showing up so fast. It's been a minute since I've had a chance to like paint my sweat for green, right? Kind of, but also like you can like move it, get back in the flow, right? You know? No pun intended. the white. I'm going to kind of outline this weird part here. Why the fuck not, right? And I think we are done, 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 done. Let's see if I can get it to go a little bit that way. There we go. Am I kind of crazy? All done. Okay, here it is dry with a silly TikTok.
Sorry to your next ex for the bar that I set. I might have been too perfect.
So many colors,